I'm Dr. Wells. I'm a sleep medicine physician, and I help people with sleep apnea get fully treated without sacrificing their comfort. And I want to talk about an advantage that CPAP users have in the wintertime. Now, you may know that cold and flu season is a time when everybody is at risk for getting sick. Why is that? It's because the air that you breathe inside is warm and dry, and the air that you breathe outside is cold and dry. So the nasal mucosa can crack or dehydrate, and especially in the outside air, the innate immune system is a little bit more sluggish than it would normally be. Now, CPAP users who are using their humidifier with their treatment are breathing warmed and humidified air throughout the night. This helps to lubricate the nasal mucosa, which is much more comfortable for breathing and actually helps support taking in air through the nose. So, nasal breathing begets nasal breathing. Now, if your humidifier setting is turned up too high, you may experience what's called rainout. This means that water is falling out of the air. So it's going from humidification to sort of raining out and collecting in the tubing. This makes a knocking sound or can sound like clicks. And it's really irritating because it can wake you up at night. What you want to do is play with your humidifier setting to find that sweet spot where you're still breathing humidified air, but not having so much rain out. Alternatively, you can move your machine to sit lower than your head so that if you are getting some rain out, that water collection is draining back into the humidifier chamber. Another solution is to convert to a heated tube. And this takes some compatibility between the heated tube and your machine. So you want to look for the little pins where the heated tube electrical piece can fit into your machine. Look at the humidifier insert on your machine to confirm that your machine is compatible. And even if it isn't, you can buy what's called a CPAP hose cozy. And this is just a fabric liner for your tubing that helps insulate the air inside to keep more of the water in the warm air as it travels from the machine to the mask on your face. And I think a hose cozy is nice anyway because it's much nicer feeling to have fabric next to your skin compared to the hose tubing. Now, if you want more tips, you can do a search for my blog postings. There's tons of information there, and all of this can be found on my website, www.supersleepmd.com. I'd certainly be happy to hear from you. There's a contact form on the website.